Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try to do a new pit stop video. Lisa the pit chick has gotten much better and we need to do an updated how to do a fast pit stop video. So I've got my nitro buggy, getting it ready. You see I've got my camera mount on there. I'm going to mount the camera on there. We're going to get some on-car footage of coming in the pits. We're going to have some from a POV standpoint on her, so you can see what it looks like when she's doing a pit stop, which I think is going to be really cool. And we're going to do a couple more videos and put it together, and we're going to talk with her a little bit, and hopefully she can explain what she's doing now and what the process is, and maybe you can learn something and learn to do better pit stops. So let's see what we can put together, and I'll be right back with you.
Just got fuel all over my hand. All right, I'm ready.
This video is going to be about how to make a fast pit stop 2.0. I previously made one where Lisa the pit chick and I showed how we did it a little differently. That being, we used a fuel gun at the time, now we have a fuel stick. So the way I do it, put it in there, grab it with one hand and throw it. Previously, I grabbed it, she had to grab it with this way because it's harder to do. Recently, she has discovered that she can do it one-handed. So she's gonna show you how she does it.
All right, so I've recently realized I can do this one-handed now. So I grab it, fueling, and letting it go.
Now maybe I'll do that in slow motion so they can see how you do
Grabbing, fueling, letting go.
Okay, so basically she's doing it the same way I do it, but she's gotten better and more efficient than me at it now because she's done it so much. So you throw it on the table, pull it with your thumb, stick the gun in, grab the shock tower, and as you're throwing it out, you're still fueling, let go, and it's super fast pit stop. So.
And we did it with the bottle, the fuel gun, and the fuel stick.
Yeah, so with the video, we're going to put in some clips. She did it with the bottle, like the old school way.
Which still wasn't bad. I mean,
Yeah.
I've definitely improved.
Still faster than that. And then with an old school gun, which is how we did the last video, which is still
Which the
pretty
disadvantage to the gun is I have to come up with my shoulder, where with the fuel stick I'm just there. There's no having to do my shoulder fight.
So this is the pit chick. She's world famous now.
Millions of views.
Yeah, she did.
I'm like Mayhem. I've got tens of views.
We did one of the shorts with the truckie. She's got over 7 million views and still climbing. It may be 8 million by now. Who knows? But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. See you next time.